Maayong gabi, Tagumeños! O welcome sa inyong paboritong Friday talk show nga naghisgot sa kinabuhi, kadaugan o kalampusan. Tagum Talks with Kente Kalina. O karong gabi una, ang atong bisita. She is a businesswoman, the owner, the CEO of Shine Boutique Hotel and the District. Di na nakodugayon, the very beautiful April Comamao!
Hi, Tagum News. Good evening. Good evening to your viewers.
Yes, ang viewers na itong mga Tagumeños nga, ginahulat yun ang imong kagwapa.
Thank you so much for waiting.
Yes, Ma'am April, grabe. You are so beautiful tonight.
Thank you.
And of course, guys, kanong beautiful kaya siya because this is her birthday today. Malakpakan na to.
Yes, thank you guys.
Yes, birthday ka na
It's my birthday month and that's why your wish is my command.
So, murag ako ang nag-wish ng birthday.
Kay birthday man ako, so gi-wish na ako imong command nga ma-interview ko karon ninyo. Og I really love to be here. Pero nadugayan lang, it's because kanang mga busy man ta.
Diba?
And you are busy as well.
Sobra. Pero kaloyan sa Lord, no?
Naanata diri, so let's do it.
Yes, happy birthday.
Thank you.
Ma'am, before ta maghisgot sa imong career, sa imong mga naagian in life, let's talk about you first. Can you introduce yourself sa itong mga kaigsulang Tagumeños, your name, asa kagikan, o unsay gidak-an nimo?
Okay. Hi, Tagum News. My name is April Comamao. I own a Shine Boutique Hotel here in Tagum City. I was born in Bukana, Anitapan, Mabini, Kumbal Province. So, dito ko nagdako. Then, adto lang ko diri sa Tagum, mga 16 years old na ko. So, yeah.
So, nagdako ka sa ano?
Sa Bukid yun, sa probinsya, sa Anitapan.
Sa Anitapan.
Yeah.
The life there was so...
The life there was so province. The life there is so... It's because I was so young nga dito mi nagdako. So, I think it was kind of normal nga
Murag the usual nga, ano?
Usual daily nga
Probinsyana girl.
Probinsyana girls, bata, maglula sa sapa, kay naami duha ka sapa dito, so magaligo ligo lang mi dito. If we are, our parents is like farmers, tapos my father is, dito siya, he has a gold mining company,
Yes.
pero
Nasa mina,
nasa like mga bulawanan. I don't know if you guys know that.
Bulmilan.
Yeah.
Mobi
No,
na.
kanang
Tanilanan
yun.
jud, oo.
So, ana siya. So, I grow up to those kind of industries or that
Sa kana
kind
nga
of
life.
world. Kana nga life. So, I know that pagkatapos man ato na I don't know. It's just like that.
Kana murag to'y na-remember nimo sa mga
Wala ta akong
pagkabata.
na-remember. I know na kanang naami dito sa bukid nagpuyo. I know that we are a farmers. I know that my parents is both farmers and also like
minero.
ingon ana.
So ingana no, dili pud layo ang iyang kinabuhi sa ako ni Ma'am April, no? Okay.
Yeah.
Also, I was born in gikan pug ko sa nagdako pug ko nga nay minahan na ay mo jud na basta nagpuyo ka sa Masara Lines. Mo jud na ang among panginabuhi ang mining.
Bulawanan.
Yes, nami nami bulmilan,
Yeah.
nami kanang prasisanan og bulawan.
Yes.
So mo nang usual nga balay namo. And dili pud milayo because we are a far relatives, di ba?
Right.
From the tribe Garbo na to ang Mansaka.
Tribe, yeah. Ay, ang Mansaka, tapos akong father is Buhulano. So, half Mansaka,
Half Buholano.
Buhulano.
Yes. Ingana no, di jud basta-basta adoon, di na basta-basta ang mga Mansaka.
Yes, of course. We are different people.
Yes, mga mga educated na.
Yeah. Not educated enough like you,
Oo.
but it's like, we have different stories.
Yes.
But like still, we are in this generation now that we can create our own.
Di ba? In our own, maghimo na tag atong sariling kinabuhi, our
Yes.
own life.
Yeah.
Let's talk about your journey. Kumusta imong journey sa imong pagkabata hantud na balhin ka diri sa Tagum?
Okay, so first, I would say na life in the bukid is very poor. But that time, wala man ko kabalo na very for me. But as long as we have food on the table, as long as that, actually, mag-ingon unta ko na akong parents, no, but that would never happen because my parents nga, kadang wala sila. So my father was away, kay nagbulawanan siya.
Yes, busy.
Tapos my mom left us. So,
Lisod
kadang
jud ang
kami
life.
nga siblings, nabilin lang yun sa balay nga kami lang mag-alaga sa among sarili. Tapos, kadang, people there, we have relatives man,
Yeah.
pero it's still nga, it was difficult. But at that time, it was okay for us. It's because what we
Wala
know.
pa kaayo.
Yeah, so at that time, it was okay siguro. But now, I was thinking about it, burag lisod
Murag
yun
dili siya, dili
Burag,
siya the usual nga family setup.
Kay gibiyaan mi sa among mama, wala siya. Tapos among papa is kanang siya lang yung nagtaguyod sa
Yes.
amua. Mao to among kanang life sa
Imagine pila gani mo
province.
kaigsuon?
Karon 10 na.
10 na kabo.
Pero 7 mi sa
Sa
original,
first,
sa
oo.
first. Then the second nami kuan tulo. So
Grabe no.
we are 10.
Grabe nga experience
No,
no.
it's actually 12.
12 na.
Kay akong papa, naa pa siya duha, then akong mama na 7 with my father. Tapos katong katulo na, nami tulo ka buok.
Tulo nga
So,
bag-o,
we are all 12, I guess. Yeah.
Pero katong past life ni mo ato before, mukhaon lang
Past life?
Past life. Mga younger days na mukhaon pug mo mga paruda. Mura jud na inyong ginakaon sa una mga
No, it's very, like, super
Mas
kanang,
worst pa
among
ato.
life dito super worst. Kanang, kabalo ka nang magkaon lang ka sa hinatag.
Oh.
So, mo na mong life, kanang you have to work for it. Nga kanang, sige, do this. Kanang imong mga auntie, mga other people.
Manglabada, o, para
Maglaba ka,
makakaon.
maghugas kag plato. Tapos, they give us food, then that's our food. It's because, kanang even though my father went to the minahan, sa Bulawan, sa mining,
Yes.
tigdugay baya na siya. Tapos, tigdugay siya.
1 week would be na
nga-
before mo uli no.
It's not even 1 week, it's a month.
Oh.
So we had to work on our own.
Yes.
Like we have to work with my siblings is there. Tapos manginabuhi gyud mi kamo sugo ami. Then just give us a little bit. Sometimes dapat yung magsugo sa hangovers ng mga auntie ug uncle nga dili pa mi pakaunon, di pa mi tagaag food. Then we just really like survive like as a siblings. Like my ate Mariel would like yung mga tabang mi dito sa among mga paryente, sa other people. So go amin then okay, then we give you food. So that's our life there. So it's not nice, I guess, or so I don't know. Yeah.
It's not just like a basic life, but gato
It was hard. It was hard. It was difficult.
Yes. Dili siya basic nga ano ha, lifestyle ha. Pero gatong pinaka lowest na jud na abtan ninyo ngayon ang ano no, nga panginabuhi.
Yeah, yeah.
And that's so ano sa inyong
Yeah.
part. It's so difficult, but you enjoy it kay wala man mo kabalo nga murag ano din dili din siya normal. Karon
yeah.
na mo na discover
Karon
nga
ra gyud
pagkadako
ako-
na.
Tanan-tanan actually, karon ra na ako naibala nga abnormal gyud yung
May
akong childhood.
Wala, oy.
Yeah.
That's so sad, no? Pero, katong ni Adto kag Tagum, how's your experience from Bukid to Tagum?
Okay, so at that time nga ato naman mi nawala na may parents. So we decided nga manarbaho na lang diri sa Tagum. Actually, ang first job na ako is nangatabang ko I think I was 15 years old. 15 years old, nagana ako nga 18 na ko kay para makuha lang ko kay even though gusto man gud nila, wala ko I don't know for some reason. They don't care if you are that age.
Yeah, yang
Or basta lang kabalo ka sa balay,
Trabaho,
basta mo trabaho lang ka sa ilaha, and you are that person nga, artibaya ko when it comes to kabalo ko manghinglo, kabalo ko manglaba,
Limpiada
kabalo
nga
ko,
pagka
limpiada
babae.
gid kaayo ko because I grew up like that way. So, limpiada kaayo ko. So, kadto siguro nga babae, ana siya, this kid is okay. Tapos, gikuha ko niya og katabang. So, nangatabang ko diri sa Tagum, 15 years old. But I told her that I was 18 years old. So, that was my first job. So, coming here in Tagum, it was okay. And it was nice. It's because it was a different environment for me. Kay kadtong taga Bukid Manggod, okay na kaayo sila kung mga tabang sila sa Tagum or if they have like some kind of work
Work
diri
nga
sa
na sa
cities. aside sa dito sa bukid. Then at that time, nag-adto ko diri, so nangatabang ko. So that's my first job.
So,
And I stopped school at that time. Kaya kailangan man ko mag-help sa akong siblings.
so grabe na rin mo na-experience, ma'am, dili basta-basta. But I am
Yeah.
speechless. I know her as a friend, pero wala ko kabalo nga
Gusto
ing
mo ka
anak.
mag-interview
Di
ba?
ba? Ing anak ka worst ang iyang na-experience
Yeah.
before. But, kato ba nga experience, isa ba to nga mga butang nga nagapa-strong sa imo kung unsa ka karon?
Oh yeah, definitely yes. It's because that molds me. Whatever I have now, it's because of my past, and kadto lang siya ang gibuhat. Maybe Lord guide me towards to whoever I want to become, and that was His kind of way of the kanang process, the steps. Like you have to go through this, you have to
agi jud kag
do all
basic.
this, it's like
Step
everything.
by step.
Then I will give you the kanang blessings, or
Nga
I
imong
will
gusto.
give you kanang, okay, I will give you what you want.
The life nga gusto
the life
nimo.
you want after this journey or after these trials.
Yeah. But before, unsa imong real nga gusto jud nimo nga job nga gusto nimo trabahoan sa una before?
Office.
Gusto jud ka ma-office
Anything
girl?
about the office jobs. Gusto gid ko magtrabaho sa mga offices. It's because every time nga katong nagtrabaho na ko diri sa Tagum, katong nangatabang nako, akong amo nagtrabaho sila sa office sa city actually.
Oh.
Tapos
Gusto ka magtrabaho sa City Hall sa una?
I mean, not in the city hall, but then I like kanang
Sa
the
setup jud.
uniform.
Oh,
Katong ino mga uniform.
okay.
Or nag-coat sila. Tapos kanang pang-office nga kanang outfit gyud. But mainly, nindot daw ang kanang sahod sa mga private offices or sa city or something like that. That's what I know. It's because that's what I learned at that time. Pero ang ilang outfit gyud, ganahan gyud ko kaayo.
Yes.
And also kanang kuan, gusto pud ko mag flight attendant. Kaya gusto ko magsuot lagi og mga nindot
Mga
lagi yung
uniform.
mga uniforms nila.
Mo na karon, gatong nag-wardrobe ni Jaira sa iyang room. Grabe na dito ang pinaka the best nga mga outfit nga
Yeah.
na nga murag spoil ni mo imong self karon
Oh,
sa
yes,
mga
yes,
past nga.
yes.
Gusto jud kay nimo to karon. Guys, kung makakita mo siyang closet puno kay ni siya mga expensive ug mga lain-lain nga mga coat.
Yeah. Kanang tanan sa akong mga clothes karon naa siya mga pareha ning mga ani, mga blazers, even though nga kanang mga pangit inside but you're wearing like kanang suit outside. So nindot na siya
Nindot na sa.
tan-awon.
Pero you dress up very nicely.
For you.
Everybody would agree, di ba? Tagumenyos, di ba?
Yeah, I dressed up for you. It's because nakakahiya naman sa ating Taguminius. They're watching like your show all the time. So we have to dress up for them.
Yes! Ug, napako yung mga pangutanan nimo. Pwede ba nimo i-share imong journey before ka nahimong businesswoman?
Before ko na, actually, wala gid ko gusto lang na ako sa una nga naami kanang tindahan. But along the way, God blesses me so much. Tapos, gipadala ko ni Lord sa Hawaii.
Yes.
But here, it's like, that was my first job, no? Nangatabang ko. Tapos, pag naminyo ko, then nag-adto ko sa Hawaii. At that time, I thought na kabalo na ako mag-English. So when I got there, English man tanan-tanan ang mga tao.
Wala yung binansaka dito, wala yung binisaya.
Wala yung binisaya. Wala man gani mag-Tagalog. Tapos kung mga Tagalog, dili,
Yes.
yun na siya mag-istorya sa imo o ganang Tagalog. Mag-English, yun na sila.
Yes.
It's because, it's it's a human nature nga mag-English sila. It's
Yes.
because they're there.
Mo na yung lingua franca nila dito sa Hawaii,
Yeah.
American language.
Of course. Yeah, and when I got there, unsa man ko.
Unsa uno ka magstorya sa mga tao.
Sa mga tao.
Yes.
So, sumoto akong gibuhat nga kadto sa nga journey.
Sa pagiging nimo pakipagsapalaran sa Hawaii. So, how was your life there sa Hawaii?
I thought it was good. It's because of course you go there.
Mo ba ang stigma no? Pag
Oo.
mo ba ang kanang naandan sa mga tao nga pag
Pag
mato kag
nakayapang.
abroad, di ba makaahon na sa kahirapan.
Yeah, so
Oo.
you know, it was the moment of truth
Bit
for
output.
me. So it was like a
Mao na jud
good
to.
wake up call.
Mm.
It was good actually. It was a good journey. It was a good journey that it makes me who I am also now.
Yeah.
Because kadto nga experiences. First when I got there sa Hawaii, kanang naminyo ko dito, so gidala ko niya dito. Then we're living like as a normal couple. Tapos of course when I got there for the fiancé visa. So fiancé visa na siya at the time nga kadto adto pa siya diri gusto ko magpakasal. No, I really prayed for this by the
Oo,
way.
yeah.
So napo ko yung mga ano sa una nga, oh sige Lord, if you gonna give me this person,
Mo na ni.
pwede ko pakita og 3 butterflies.
Oo, signs.
3 butterflies magkuandayon
Mo-visit
magpakita
sa
dayon
imo,
sa
oo.
as in no tapos
Naadjod.
joke naman siguro ni Lord kung gusto gyud nimo ni nga ako mga asawa nga tao then tagay kog purple na car nga mo agi sa akong harapan naay purple na car.
Hal.
Tapos so, ano po siya napoy way usahing magana ko nga okay if this person would call me 1 minute then magkuan nga okay let this person call me at this like 1 2 3 this time mo call jud siya
Mo jud to.
mo gid siya
Mo na
tawag
tay
yun siya.
sign
So,
nga murag
okay, this is the
nagpakita
sign.
na.
So this is the time nga moadto ko sa Hawaii. So mo to na minyo ko dito sa Hawaii but then unfortunately kanang dili mi kanang meant to be. So we got divorced.
Yes. Naadjud mo na ginaingon nga dili tanan nakipagsapalaran para jud sa imo.
Yeah. Agree.
But when you visit ka ng Hawaii, ka nang nakadaag kag mga hotel, nakaadto kag mga resto bar, unsa naka-inspire nimo nga magtukod ka og kanang or nabay naka-inspire sa imo nga places ito nga nung ulo, gusto lagi ko mag-business og ing-ani. Gusto lagi ko maghimog ing-ani.
Oh, yeah. It's actually after we got divorced. So he asked me to like I want my own place. It's because we're not together anymore. So I asked him if I can have my own place. It's because it wasn't healthy anymore for us to be together. Tapos mo to nakakita siya og place didto sa pinaka main didto sa Waikiki. Mo na ang Waikiki mo to siya ang pinaka main
A
street
center
dito
sa Hawaii.
So naami nakita dito. It's actually I am not with myself, just me alone myself. Na ako'y kauban nga. Bro siya o kanang kuan gud na eskwelahan niya. Tapos na kay kauban niya
mga
bro siya
doormates.
doormate. So unong mi kawok dito, bro naka bunk bed.
Okay.
But it was okay. It's because na akong work dito lang yun po, doon lang yun guys sa
around
katanan. That's
the area
why
lang.
he choose that place. So dito ko that place it was kana siya nga building. It was a hotel. At the same time, na siya Airbnb. At the same time, it was an apartment. It was kind of all-in-one.
Oo.
Nga,
Parang condo share something, hotel share.
it's a hotel, it's Airbnb, it's a long-term rentals. Kanaming unana. So mo to siya nga building. So dito ko nagstay. Dito gyud akong first nga kanang after nga nag-separate me. So dito ko nagstay.
So naisip ba nimo dito nga hala? Sa una gusto ko maghimo pa og ingani nasulod pud ba na sa mo utok
No, it wasn't until 2018.
Oh.
So 2013 actually we got separated niya pagkatapos pagpuyo na nako didto. At that time nagtrabaho na ako sa sa clinic. Tapos nagtrabaho na ako ganang at na ako'y trabaho nga duha. Nagtrabaho ko sa
Part-time.
clinic at the same time nag-bartender food ko. So duha na akong trabaho. Close lang yun siya sa place. So kadto siya nag-ana ako nga pwede man siguro apartment gyud ni.
Yeah.
Dapat apartment gyud ni siya. Pero buhat na lang nako siya og
Hotel.
hotel. It's because of that reason nga pwede di ay ang hotel ma-apartment at the same time may Airbnb
Airbnb.
at the same time pwede siya pang long-term rental.
So dito ka nagkakuha po og idea.
Yeah, that was the first idea. It's because this first plan was apartment lang yun siya. Social nga apartment diri sa Tagum.
Di ba?
But then kada adto na ako diri sa Tagum, wala gyud siya social nga apartment. I mean, daghan kayo siya,
Yeah.
daghan kayo nindot nga kuan sa hotel diri sa Tagum.
Yes.
Pero kadto akong gusto lang nga mahitabo, murag kani nga place ang
Available.
nga available nga okay pwede di ay siya nga mabuhat og hotel, mabuhat siya og boutique hotel. Kay daghan mag-hotel diri sa Tagum, pero nice siya, pero daghan po og ganang motel, not that nice.
Yes.
Tapos I'm in the middle.
Oh, mark ikaw ang kanang middle sa pinakabonggang hotel.
High end,
o-
low end.
oo.
So I'm in the middle.
Middle.
So nag-ana ako, okay, so i-convert na lang nako ning apartment into the
Into a
boutique
hotel.
hotel. So mao to ang naka-inspired sa ko.
Yes. Og this time, let's talk about your business, ang Shine Boutique Hotel.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nganong gitawag bitaw ni siya og Shine Boutique Hotel, Ma'am April?
So gitawag ni siya gitawag ni siya og Shine Boutique Hotel. It's because my daughter, her name is Shine. So what is the other way to call your business? But then to kuan ka na
Ipangalan siya sa imong-
pangalan na lang sa either you
Or
or the
sa imong
other
anak.
person, sa imong anak or sa kanang community. So of course I choose my
Yeah.
daughter.
But-
And her name naman is so nice.
Di
So,
ba? More catchy.
yeah, super catchy naman. So I name her. I name it after
At her.
Yeah.
Sis, nasulod ba sa mo ito nga April Boutique Hotel?
No, that's so
That's
ugly.
kind of weird.
That's so awkward.
Pero,
yeah.
why is it boutique hotel? Unsay different ani sa lain nga mga hotel?
Of
Nganong
cour-
na siya boutique hotel?
Yeah, boutique hotel, it's actually like under 100 rooms. And then the design, you personalize everything, what you put it into it. Like for example, we personalize our services,
Yes.
like
Accommodation.
accommodations, like the rooms,
Rooms, yes.
the lobby, like we all in one here because here at Shine Boutique Hotel we have a laundromat,
Oh.
we have a water refilling station. We used to have like a convenience store.
Sa baba, di ba?
Yeah, sa baba. It's all in baba. Then we have everything here. So it's for the people that want to live here.
Sustainable
long
jud
term.
pagpuyo diri pag long term.
Yes, yeah, it's good, perfect. It's perfect for everyone who wants to stay here longer.
Yes.
Then it's also we have rooms here that has a kitchen, so you can cook, you
Pwede
can
ra jud
do
kayo.
whatever you want, you can do your laundry here. Yeah.
And also we have can you share to us dapat tay mga
Yeah,
mga
of course.
swimming pool?
Yeah, and also this is why I choose like a boutique hotel. It's because I personalize this myself as a boutique hotel because we have here a full bar, a full restaurant, and we are the first rooftop pool
Yes,
here in
in
Tagum
Tagum.
City.
I agree.
Yeah, I am so proud of it. And actually, public are welcome here. Not only the guests that we have, but public.
Yeah,
also
pwede ra jud
can-
mo adto diri
can
pag
come.
mag-swimming lang.
Yeah, yeah.
Family.
Yeah. It's
Very
actually
nice.
very affordable.
Actually, actually, this place is a function hall.
Yes, this one is a
Oo.
function hall.
And then sa baba, dapat tay mga meeting room sa baba.
Yes, yeah.
Grabe, ang Shine Boutique Hotel is, tama dyan yung giingon, all in one. Na siya
All in
diritan,
one,
no?
yeah. It's very compact.
Yes. Og, as we talk about, as we talk about your business, ang imong bars, dapat ba kay bar din, no? Sa experience ni mo nga as a bartender, mo ba na ang reason nga nung nagtukod pug kag the district bar diri sa
of
Tagum
course,
City?
it's a big impact as well. So, in Hawaii, I was working as a dental assistant. And also, during at night, I was a
Part-time,
bartender.
bartender.
It wasn't even a part-time anymore. I think it was like a full-time
Full-time
job.
na.
Yeah.
Murag,
It's-
umaga, gabi,
yeah.
trabaho
So,
ka.
from in the morning, I wake up. Of course, I mean, I woke up like at 6. Then I had to go to our office, our dental clinic office, it's because I like the ones like carrying the susi.
Everything. Oo.
Tapos ako kailangan mag-abri ko sa
Ikaw ang
clinic.
opener.
Yeah, of course, because I live close by. So mabaktas rin ako. So from 7 to depende kung kano sa mag-close ang
mag-close
among kuan kay usahay na
Nagka-customer.
ang mga pasyente usahay so nice. Yeah.
Oo.
So usahay magkuan mi didto mag-abri mi until 4 5 6 then matulog lang ko og until like 1 hour then mag-bartend na pud ko from 7 to 4 a.m. So that's why I got the kanang idea nga mag-club na lang sa the district. It's because I am like a night owl.
Yes, in a night owl.
Yeah.
I
So I need some place to go to, especially when I got here. I need some place to go to and kanang wala may nice place diri
nga kanang gusto nimo nga ing ana.
So that's why I opened my own like kanang club.
Actually, guys, I agree with that. Kanang morning mata na siya gabiin, makontak na siya sa ako, akadlawon matapod na siya. Nagnana siya every time. O
Asa ka magdula pa ka.
Dula taas na ta. Sis mag-swimming ta, mag-kuwain ta. Kabalo mo guys, we'll talk about the district. The district is inspired by katong mga resto bar nga nalaagan nimo sa Hawaii,
yeah.
di ba?
Here also the hotel,
Yes, the hotel.
the district, inspired of everything that I want everyone here. Like Tagumeños, I want you to experience
The life in Hawaii.
the life in Hawaii, the
Dili
life
sa
that I
Tagum.
want you to experience because that's what I experience as well. So gusto na ko nga
Kalaon
ma-try po
dire,
ninyo. And that is why I'm bringing it here sa Tagum City. So just try here sa Shine Boutique Hotel. Try it sa the district and you feel different. You feel na wala mo diri sa
true.
Tagum. The ambience is so different.
Tinood na siya.
Yeah.
Sis, ano ba na sis? That's
yeah,
why we
we are
call each
sis,
other.
yeah.
Mga gano. Unsay vision jud mo sa imong business?
Of course, my vision here, of course, is a growth. Like for myself, for my business, for the people around me who help me to run this business, and like to help them as well, like my families,
Nga makatrabaho.
nga
no?
makatrabaho, and also like I want to be someone who I want to become na it's because I don't know if I'm just gonna share this with
Yes.
you. It's because my boyfriend has a different lifestyle. Me as well has different lifestyle and I don't want to be called a gold digger.
Yeah.
Even though if I don't know if that words can you be proud if you want to be called on
Being
that
ana
way.
nga tao.
So although I joke around, it was like gold digger ka. Yeah, of course I am a gold digger. It's because my father
Digs a gold.
like dig a gold. It's for
Yeah.
us to survive in life. So although nga nag-start naman ko ana nga part now kasi nag-join na ko ana nga mga ventures.
Oo.
Nowadays we actually started na nga mag gold digging, but
balik
then
na
I'm
po.
not a gold digger. It's because
Literally.
yeah, dili ko gold digger. It's because I really built this myself. I earned this money from sweat and blood, what they called it. Nag-work
that's
ko
true.
from 2013 to 2019 to 2020, 2021
Yeah.
to be able to get this belt nga
Yeah.
to call it my own nga without people like help.
Diba?
Like yeah.
That's what the problem of kana nowadays sa mga tao. If kanang pag lang ka, makauyab lang ka or maka-fiancé ka gafa, mo na term nilang, may isa na naman tayong kababayan na nakaahon sa kahirapan.
Yeah.
But actually that's not applicable to everyone. Naman yung mga tao nga, they know how to handle money.
Yeah.
But for you, ikaw nga kanang, actually, ang kanang before na-meet ni mo ang imong fiancé Karon, no? You work so hard, ipon jud ka.
yeah.
So nakaipon na ka to build this
course.
to business. So
Saka ko ripot ato.
Diba?
No, this different story.
Oo.
Joke lang.
So,
No, it was hard-earned money.
lisod jud
Like, it
gud
was a
kaayo.
hard-earned money, and I really worked for it. And it was good. It's because I survived to be able to finish this. Paulo na ba yung tawa to kay patuna kung di na ako makaya.
Kaya,
And also it's because this is my sweat and blood. I had a good life in
Yeah.
Hawaii. Everything is reachable. Everything is like kanang makuha na ko anytime I
Yeah.
want. I have money. I have a lot of money in Hawaii. Then
Because you work so hard.
nibalik lang gid ko diri sa
Tagum.
Tagum because I want to run this place. I want to run my business. Like kanang ako ag yung mapaningkamutan,
Nutan,
mataguyod gid siya.
Yeah.
That's why ning uli ko diri sa Tagum. Then I don't have to.
Yeah.
Pero but I have to for myself.
For yourself. For your own growth,
different.
pod, no?
Yeah, it's for my own growth. For like it's different when you work for it for like kanang imong sarili
Yes.
gyud.
That's nice, no? Kay, ang vision ni mo, ang kaningang business is, dili lang para sa imong sarili, but also
Oh, no.
for the help sa imong mga,
Yeah,
mga
everyone.
empleyado, sa mga
Yeah.
family ni mo nga.
Yeah.
Mostly sa ang imuhang mga, de trabahante is, ay mga relatives, mga igsoon.
A lot of them is my
Yes.
relatives, a lot of them is my igsuon, but then of course like they're here to help me.
Yes.
Yeah.
And, kaninga pangutana is, question po din ako, nganong gituyo ni mo nga sa Tagum City ka magtukod og Shine Boutique Hotel?
Yeah, that's a good question. Why Tagum? Pagbalik na ako diri sa Tagum, actually, I hate Tagum. It's because I have the worst kanang experience here. Kanang biyaan mi ni mama niya, tapos maghilak ka, anong biyaan mi diri sa
Yeah.
Tagum? What is Tagum? So I really, really hate this place. It's actually, gi-condemn na nako ni nga dili na ko mobalik diri. So why Tagum? So it's actually, ganahan na lang ko sa Tagum, pagbalik na nako diri nga, booming na kaayo siya.
Yung nga ni nakalambo.
Oh, nindot na siya. Tapos pagbalik na ako dire, okay man ang Tagum. So,
Sustainable na siya for
sustainable na
business,
siya. Yes,
living, pwede na kay kinanal. All around na,
yeah.
duog na sa imong balay ang mga ano ba?
Nay Robinson.
Mm-mm.
Oh, nice. Tapos, nightclub. Oh, nice. Pero, not the club that I want to go every night.
Diba?
But it's like,
Oo.
it's because I own a club in Hawaii. So, it's kind of different here. That's why I created my own like club here.
Yes, sa
like,
Tagum.
kanang dito. Pero it's actually, Tagum is really, really nice now from then. Tapos mo to, I choose Tagum, it's because dako ka isyag possibilities diri nga we gonna earn more. Then we just gonna create something different, something unique, which is nga nabuhat na diri sa Taguminyos. And now I was like, okay, let's do more business here. Let's do more business here in Tagum. And this is the first. And my club is the second.
Yes.
So let's see what's next.
Yes.
Yeah.
And of course, sa tanan ni mga naagian, sa tanan ni mga experience, naman jud tay mga hagit no, mga kalisdanan nga niagi sa imong kinabuhi no. Og unsay personal challenges nga imong naagian through your journey hantod karon?
Daghan kanang sa people na you thought that you're going to trust. Nga kanang pagtuon mo this person can help you.
Yeah.
It's because sugar coating words. Daghan kog naagian ana. It's actually even here sa kaning
Business.
pagbuild sa business na karon. Actually, I just been through just recently nga I thought it was good, but it was just like a chaos after all.
Yeah.
So mao to, but then it was an ugly journey. But for now, since I started sa kaning, like for example, sa kaning hotel lang
Yeah,
ako kuan sa imuha ingon. Since I started this business,
Business.
daghan na gid kay kog naagian.
Yeah.
From then to now, just recently 2 months ago, nga nag-ana gid ko na you can trust the people, but dili nimo siya i-trust nga fully.
Fully.
pag tuon mo, ma-watch mo siya, but then you really cannot trust them, like, for everything. So, you just have to be there to look out for your people, nga, ma-watch mo tanan. It's because, it was a good journey for me also because it was a big learning.
Learnings. The challenge
Yeah,
nga, naka-learn po ka.
I learned a lot. And now, it makes me like kanang, it makes me nga kanang, hey, you grow up.
Strong.
You
Kabalo na
you
kaon
show
sa
up. Yeah. You go to your office and don't sleep mo
Yeah.
anymore.
So,
So,
marag-
it's something like that. It makes me kanang, I woke up.
Yeah, naka-learn
It's
na ka nga,
because of
dili
that.
lang dili lang ka
Yeah.
mag-settle nga ano lang ka, maghigda lang ka, magdawat na lang ka kwarta, but also ka nang
Wala gyud
hanon-
kwarta. It's because
yeah.
naaman sa ilahatanan. Yeah, it's actually that
Yeah.
was happened.
Yeah, this
Yeah.
jud kino pag kanang that's normal actually sa mga business nga nadyo makaagyan na. Pero sometimes we have to be careful with the people nga ano pud na to.
Who
No?
we trust. Yeah.
Anyway, and that happens, giunsa nimo siya pag-overcome nga kana nga mga challenges?
Grabe. Grabe siya. Kanang maghilagid ka. Maghilagid ka nga, why
I
you did
witnessed that
this?
makigsuon ng Tagumenos.
Yeah, he did. It's because he's the one that I called to. Ken, come here. Mag-inom sa tagwine. No,
Yeah.
it's actually, it was all negatives. It was all bad. But then, at the end of the day, nga, you have to grow up. And you have to wake up and survive. And learn after that chaos. And that's what I learned now, that be consistent, watch the people,
Yeah.
watch your business. It's because that's your business.
Business,
And you can...
That's not others' business.
No, yeah, that's yours. And you have to
That's
take care of it. And for me, that was my big learnings. And yeah, it was a mistake. It was their bad intention. But after that, who you want to become after that? So that's what I want it to myself now, like the learnings that I got from that experience. So now I want to become like more attentive na, more like nga kanang
Present na ka sa imong,
presence,
work.
yes, and be there for your people. It's because like those people also they've been going through
A
and
lot
it's
po.
because you have the SOP here, don't bring your
Tinuod.
problems at work,
Work.
doesn't mean they won't affect them, and it's really gonna affect them, but
That's
just
true.
like be there for them as well.
Mga kaigsunan kung Tagumenos, daghan kay tag na learn og daghan kay gi-share nga experience ang atong bisita this evening. Ug ayaw mo biyae kay daghan pa tag hisgutan. We'll be right back. Diri lang gyapon sa inyong paboritong programang Tagum Talks with Candy Kalina.
Mga Tagumenos ang bida dito. Lahat ng storya ay kwento mo. Buhay, pag-ibig at pangarap sa mundo. Ang Tagum Talks para sa'yo.
Mga kaigsunan kung Tagumenos, we are back. Dili lang gyapon sa Tagum Talks. Ug kauban gyapon nato ang atong very beautiful April. Hello, how are you? Okay na?
Yes.
Napilan mo ang energy.
Yeah,
Yes.
so much more better. It's
And-
better. Yeah.
Yes, and this time magdula ta, and this game
Game.
called Shine or Shadow Game.
Game.
Are you game? Game ka na ba?
Game na. Go.
Okay. So I would ask a question and then ikaw mo pili kung asa diri sa duha.
Okay, go.
Okay. Front desk or behind the scenes?
Behind the scene.
Busy season or slow
Of
season?
course, busy seasons.
Big hotel or boutique hotel?
Boutique hotel.
Local guest or international guest?
Haha. Both?
Check in or check out?
Check in because that's all the experience.
Clean rooms or happy guest?
Cleaner rooms.
Most used or at work? Most used words at work.
Nahingloan na ninyo.
Diba? The very basic. One thing you always check in a room.
Kung basa ba ang floor?
Oh. Hard work or smart work?
Smart work.
Risk,
With the hard work.
diba? Risk or comfort?
That's both.
Diba? Risk and comfort.
Yeah.
Passion
Rest
or...
first before comfort.
Diba? Okay,
Yeah.
dili dyan na to. Kung ano ang,
Yeah.
ano, ang comfort
No
din
comfort
una.
first before no risking.
Diba? You learn from it.
Yes.
Passion or stability?
Fashion first, then before you stabilize it.
Yes. For you, success is...
Success is when you make someone happy. Success is when you make everything easier for that person or someone that you help to, or when everything is easier, it's not a burden.
Yeah.
That's a success for me. And success for me also is when, like, no one is, of course no one's crying. That's your success. But the easiest is the better.
Yeah.
And that's a success for me. When I want to make someone happy, or like when like someone is like crying on Facebook, then I said, "What is your GCash?" Or someone's like got worried, and someone's like died, or someone's like kanang
Experiencing bad experience in life.
Yeah, based on my experience, that is a success for me. When someone is like, wala na ako pang tuition.
Yeah.
Then I was like, okay, give me your GCash na I will pay your tuition. That's a success for me. And I was like, but of course, I'm gonna tell them, don't post it on Facebook.
Diba?
Yeah, because that's
Very,
and also, success for me is when someone's died, and tapos mag-ano silang, sa pang burial, sa pang coffee, say, okay, give me your GCash and I'll send them. But then, please don't post it on Facebook. That's a success for me.
Very selfless. Liwat yung ka sa atong friend nga si Madam J.
Yeah, amazing, no? Madam
Sobra.
J is the best person on earth.
Yes.
Actually, yeah.
Happiness for you is...
Happiness when I make someone happy. When I put a smile on their faces.
One word for your life right now.
Contented.
Wow, that's very nice. And, patanaw man, let's go back sa atong mga
Okay, go.
questions sa life, mga life
Game.
questions o mga realization.
Realizations.
Yes. Human sa tanan nga journey nga nahitabo sa imong life.
Okay.
Unsay pinakadako nimo nga realization?
You had to be present. Kailangan ka, present gid ka to any nga kanang in the happy moments, in the bad moments, you have to be there to look everything for yourself. It's because kanang usahay they were like, oh, it's a happy moment. And then, at the end of the
Pag
day,
bad
you
na,
learn nga, it's bad pala. So, yeah, that's my all realization. For your business, you have to be there, bad and good.
Yeah. For better, for worse.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's like a marriage. It's like you be there. Either it's bad, either it's worse. So
That's true.
Just be there. Just be present.
Present.
Yeah.
Unsay mong na-discover nga strength sa imong self nga wala nimo damha?
I will never know. Na-discovered na ako that I thought I could never have a hotel business. But then
Kanina
here I
business.
am. And also that that people will follow me. It's because I thought that I am a follower. But then at the end of the day, someone will like want to follow me pala.
Lead
I'm not
na.
gonna be following to those people. So here at like running my business now, ano ko, I think I did something good. It's
Yeah.
because there's still people here that like, like still follow my rules,
Yeah.
still follow like the SOPs here, like whatever, like, like whoever don't follow here, like natada naman sila.
Oo.
Natada. I mean, they're not here anymore naman.
Oo.
I mean, of course, that's my realization na you have to be present, and then you have to be you.
Be you.
And then, of course, you have to be like, something else. And
Yeah.
yeah, business is a business.
kanang the basic kanang rule sa business. Business is business.
Business is
Yeah.
business. So don't cry out of something it's not it's gonna hurt you along the way. It's because that's me.
Yeah.
I let someone run my place. I let someone to run my business, but at the end of the day, I was the one who's crying. I was the one who's crying. I was the one who's fixing.
Yeah.
I was the one who ended up suffering. So those people that I trust, they were the one who were very, very happy at the time that they were here. And they were the one nga paldo-paldo
Benefit.
ka.
At this time, unsay imong ikaingon sa mga tao nga nag-struggle pero nagihapoy hope.
I was the one, that person. That was me. I struggled. Katong bata pa mi.
Yeah,
Katong ipanganak pa mi sa, patuon na, mong dato mi sa una kaayo,
Oo, mo na
no? Pa
to.
along the way, na-stop na. Tapos, kanang mga parents, hindi mo that they don't get along with. Yeah, tapos, mag-suffer mo as a siblings, as a person. Well, carry that with you. Work with it. Work for yourself.
Yeah.
Make that as your inspiration to challenge you. What you can do for it. What can you work for it. Kanang, ikaw na ang magdula sa imong life. It's because it's not your parents. It's who you are.
Yeah.
So, be who you want you to be with or who you want to become. Just do that for yourself and don't even blame your parents, don't blame your relatives, don't blame nobody. Just work and learn as much as you can and do it for yourself. It's not because of your experience, it's because that's what you want to become. So just do you.
Yes. Just
Then everything is gonna be easier for yourself. And don't even my parents is not that good for us. But I never blame them. And blame yourself if you are worse.
Yeah.
Blame yourself if you're doing your drugs. Blame yourself kung nagsigarilyo ka.
Yeah,
Drinks is okay, but drink responsibly. Don't drink too much that you cannot handle.
that's true.
But it's okay. You're just a human being, so it's okay. But don't make mistake that you can
Hand down.
regret. And always to learn for your own good, for your family, whoever, who is your inspiration.
Version.
Then don't do bad.
Ana
Huwag
lang.
kang maging masama sa other people.
That's
It's
true.
because you don't want them to be ugly at you.
Yeah.
And
Kung
maging
di ka gusto
masama sa'yo.
mabuhat pod sa imuha.
Yes.
That's
yeah,
true.
Yeah.
This time, unsa ang imuhang advice sa itong mga kaigsunan tagumenyos nga magtukod og business?
To be able to have a business, you have to have a courage first. And of course, you have to be mentally present. It's because it's not that you just want it. It's because for me before, kanang nakoy business call nako, nakoy business nga hotel call nako, nakoy business nga ingon ani, okay nako. It's because I just want other people nga nakoy business. But dili man pud ay pwede ingon ana. Di man di ay pwede nga na kay business, okay na ka, na kay business, wala na kay struggles. And that is my big realization for this journey. And it's because I thought before, kung na ako'y hotel, okay na ako. And it's a cool business. It's in the hospitality industry. Think about it.
Yeah.
Di ba? Nindot kayo siya.
That's true.
But then, anything nga kanang musulod ka ana nga business, you have to be present. You have to have your SOP, standard operating procedures. You really have to have a system for your business. And
That's true.
don't let the people run it. Run the people that would run it. And that's what I want to tell the Tagumeños who want to run their business. And business is hard. It's because you put all your souls, you put all your sweat, you put all your bloods and everything
Even
that
your
you
money.
got.
Mm.
Like, you put all your monies in there, you invested something. Imagine, ning uli lang ko sa Hawaii, I have a good life in Hawaii, ning uli lang ko diri para matutukan lang na ako ng business.
Diba?
Imagine
Diba?
that.
Mm.
I have millions of money in Hawaii. When I got here, I don't have nothing because
Yeah,
I put
start
it
you ka sa
all in
ano,
my
basic.
business. So, yeah, you really have to be present. And I know you trust the people that you trust now, but check on it. It's nothing wrong to check on people that you
Yeah.
trust. And even though your siblings, pareha gud kang Madam Kay, nga na siya business tapos iyang siblings, not that I said na akong igsoon naging wala na sa kuha, not them, but you know, just the thought of it
Yeah.
na kailangan na you need to be present everything, even
That's
though
true.
that you trust people, but trust them, but with your guidance.
Yes. Tinood.
Trust them, but you're there. So yeah, that's my realization for everything.
Yes, mga kaig... Cheers muna tayo. Ayan, mga kaigsuno kong tagumenyos.
Nag-inom na mi diri ni
Diba?
sis. Yeah.
Mga kaigsuno kong tagumenyos, no? Daghan jud kay tag na learn nga lesson. Daghan kay tawag experience nga gi-share nga to ang guest this evening. And because since it's your birthday,
Yes. Asa mo na tong cake?
asa na tong cake?
Wala pa, magpapalita.
In behalf of...
Sa gawas.
Nasa paggawas. Ayun, sana gawas.
Pag ato nato dito, mag-change na tag-outfit,
Oo.
then mag-party na tayo.
Ana.
Yes.
Mga kaigsuno kong tagumenyos, in behalf of City Information Office, Team Radio, and Team Tagum Talks, happy birthday. Og thank you, jud pod kaayo no,
Thank
sa
you,
time.
sis. Yeah.
Ngay mong gihatag diri sa amo. Nga, nakaimamat ka, og
Yeah.
naka-learn from your experience.
Yes.
This time, basta na kay gusto i-shout out imong family, imong friends, nga nadiri karon, go!
Oh, shout out to all my friends here in Tagum that I just made recently. Tapos, of course, please come visit here at Shine Boutique Hotel. If you come here, then only experience are able to explain. And try our rooms, try our rooftop bar, swimming pool, like you know, our food. And I mean, you feel like you're not here in Tagum City, and that's what I want Tagumeños to experience. That I want them to experience the thing that they thought that they're not here in Tagum. I want you to feel that you are somewhere else. So yeah,
Yes. If ever mag-book mi sa Shine Boutique Hotel, unsa nga Facebook page among i-search?
Shine Boutique Hotel nga mo na among page.
Yes. Mga kaigsuno kong tagumenyos, daghan kayong salamat, no? Ma'am April, thank you kay sis. Thank you,
Of
jud
course,
kayo sa
sis.
time.
You're
And of course, pasalamatan man ako mga sponsors, Apex for my teeth, and of course, Dr. Tauho for my skin ultra aesthetic, and of course, my outfit. Kabalo kasi sa
Nice
outfit.
kayo.
Yes,
Naibog
this is
kayo
a
ko anak ka
creation
kanina.
of Marlon Suan.
Oh my gosh,
Yes.
the best.
Nice kaayo ni siya. Marlon, thank you so much sa imong outfit. Actually, I am a first user ani nga outfit. Mo ni siya ang atong mga design from the Maanyag runway artist. Yan.
Yeah,
If gusto ka magpa-alter, gusto ka magpanindot og sanina, you can message Marlon Suan.
Of course, definitely.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mga kaigsunon kong tagumenyos, magbababay na next Friday na po. Dili lang gihapon sa Tagum Talks with Katie Kalina. Happy birthday!